You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 2600, or 50.99. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 52 and y1 equals negative 91. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 62 and y2 equals negative 41. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 52. x2 equals 62. y1 equals negative 91. y2 equals negative 41. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 2600, or 50.99.